In this video, we will show you how to set up your Heimgard outdoor camera. Your outdoor camera should be mounted at your desired location outdoors. If using Wi-Fi, ensure your camera is in a position where Wi-Fi is accessible. You can set up your new Heimgard outdoor camera either with an Ethernet cable or via Wi-Fi. First step in setting up your outdoor camera with an Ethernet cable is to connect the power cable to the camera and plug the power adapter into a wall socket. Then, connect the Ethernet cable from the camera to an internet-connected home router. You will now see a notification at the top of your screen of unconfigured devices. Click Configure to enter the Found Devices list. Name your device and choose its designated room. Press Advanced Settings to choose between Recording and Generic mode. If you prefer to set up your outdoor camera using Wi-Fi, follow these steps. Connect the power cable to the camera and plug the power adapter into your wall socket. Then connect the antenna to the camera. You are now ready to pair your Heimgard outdoor camera to your app. Open the Heimgard app and click the gear symbol located in the top right corner. Click Manage Devices, then click the plus sign, and then click the Add Camera symbol. Enter your router's Wi-Fi name and password, then click Generate. This will generate a QR code on your phone. Then press the camera's Join button for 5 seconds. Now, turn your screen light to max and hold your phone approximately 10 to 30 centimeters in front of the camera. Your camera will confirm connection when the LED light is solid green. You will now see a notification at the top of your screen of unconfigured devices. Click Configure to enter the Found Devices list. Name your device and choose its designated room. Press Advanced Settings to choose between Recording and Generic mode. You are now ready to mount your new outdoor camera. Drill 3 holes for the camera mount at your desired location and fasten the camera to the wall with the included screws. If you are using Wi-Fi, be aware that thick and insulated walls can greatly reduce the signal strength of your Wi-Fi camera. Connections via Ethernet cables ensure the most reliable connection to your network. You will need to route a power cable and perhaps an Ethernet cable to your camera. If you are not using Wi-Fi, you may need to route the cabling through the wall. Thank you for choosing Heimgard. Enjoy your new product. For further information, please visit our website, heimgard.com.